How do you remix your own video into a short? Why can't I remix my videos anymore? Where did YouTube hide the remix button? I've been asking myself all those questions. Open up the video that you want to remix. We're going to choose this one right over here next to the like button. You see that little arrow? That's the share button. For some reason they hid it in there. So click the share button. It's going to prompt you to answer this question. And then down at the bottom, there you go. Remix. Now you can proceed the way you have always done this. Continue for more if you don't know how to remix. You're going to let the video play. Choose the section you want by dragging it in the timeline down below. There, I think I'm going to choose that section. Next, you can add some stuff to it if you want. First, I'm going to add some captions. Make sure to read the captions. It always spells my name wrong and then I have to fix it. There you go, fixing my name. At the end, it was just these hearts, so I was searching for something to add to that screen. You can even pull in your own image or logo. Let's pull in the logo to this actual channel. There we go, Creator Tips with Dawnnie. I'm just going to take a screenshot of that. There, I just took a screenshot of it, shaped it how I want, and now I'm going to go back and pull that in. Okay, now we're back in our project. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? When you click on it, it says you can change the shape. I'm not going to do that. Drag it to where you want. I'm going to add follow for more at the end and have it show at the end screen where it was just hearts before. You can even add a little icon. There's our comedy tragedy masks. Stretch it. Make sure you change it so it only shows over the section of the video that you want it to show on. There you go. You can scroll and move the bar on the timeline to make it only show at the end if that's what you want. That's what I want. There you go. I think it's missing one more thing. Let's see, what other bells and whistles can we add to this? What does this little icon do? We're going to add a question. Are you an actor? It says here people can reply with their own short. I've never seen that happen. If you see this, my friends, reply with a short. I'd like to see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Andrew. Reply with a short, Andrew. Let me see what it looks like. Now, you don't seem to be able to only show it in a certain section like my other edition, so I'm going to shrink it and maybe move it to a place where it's not hiding everything, but I still want to keep it. There, got to move it over to the right or else it's on my face. Okay, well, like the short says, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I have this channel to help actors and new YouTubers thrive on YouTube. Follow for more like this, and I hope this helped you. Stick around if you don't know how to post this yet. Next, I'm going to show you how to export and post this. There you go. So before you post it, you see that little pencil icon on the upper left? Let's select the screen we want to show as our thumbnail. And then you title it. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and save it as private or unlisted so that I can fix the rest of the SEO on my desktop before I publish it. Follow for more like this.